You wake up and the first thing you do is not check your phone. You do not roll from your bed to a chair, from a chair to a car, from a car to another chair where you will sit for 8 hours and wonder why your back hurts. You wake up on the ground. The fire from last night is still warm. The air is cold. Your body is stiff for a second, but not broken. You stand up, stretch, squat down, pick something up, step over a branch, carry wood, walk to water, climb a small rock, sit in the dirt, stand again. And without realizing it, you have already moved more than many modern people move before lunch. For most of human history, movement was not something you scheduled. It was not a workout. It was not a fitness goal. It was not something you tracked on a watch. It was just life. Your ancestors did not go to the gym because the world was the gym. The ground was uneven, the food was heavy, the water was far away, the shelter needed fixing, the fire needed wood, children needed carrying, tools needed making, berries needed gathering, animals needed tracking. The human body was not built around comfort. It was built around variety. Walking, bending, squatting, crawling, climbing, lifting, throwing, balancing, resting, then moving again. Not for aesthetics, not for abs, not for discipline, for survival. Now compare that to your day. You wake up in a soft bed. You sit to eat. You sit to travel. You sit to work. You sit to relax. You sit to recover from how tired sitting made you. And the strangest part is, your body still thinks it lives outside. Your hips still expect to squat. Your feet still expect rough ground. Your spine still expects rotation. Your shoulders still expect to reach, carry, climb, pull. Your eyes still expect distance, trees, horizon, movement. But instead, you give them screens, chairs, walls, and shoes that make the earth feel flat. This is why modern people have to invent exercise, because movement disappeared from life, so we had to turn it into a task. 30 minutes on a treadmill to replace a day of walking. 10 squats in a gym to replace a lifetime of sitting close to the ground. Stretching routines to recover mobility that used to be normal. Ancient humans were not athletes in the modern sense. They were not trying to be optimized. They were simply never still for too long. They rested, yes, a lot. But their rest was different. They rested on the ground. They shifted positions. They squatted by the fire. They lay in the shade. They sat on rocks. Their bodies stayed alive even when they were doing nothing. Today, your chair holds you so well that your muscles forget they are supposed to hold you. Your life became comfortable, but your body paid the price. And maybe the saddest part is this. You think exercise is something extra you need to add to your life, but for 99% of human history, movement was not extra. It was the default. You were not built to sit all day. You were built to move through the world.